Are you a buyer right now?
I haven't been. Just, like I said, I've got my two big positions, and I've had them forever. And so I'm not ready to dive in and to put more cash into stocks right now. I'm content to have two big positions that continue to do well, and I think they're great companies. And I'm content to have a lot of cash. It's the old Warren Buffett thing. When there's blood in the streets, and there may not ever be blood in the streets, but the amount of money I earn in interest keeps on going up. And the stocks that I have, my biggest holdings keep on going up. So I don't have any reason to dive in. And I think that's the feeling that a lot of investors have. That, we have some stocks that keep on going up. Those are the ones we're comfortable with. Why put any more at risk? We can talk about Apple going to $1 trillion, and there's no reason why they won't. The market should continue to grow. The services business continues to grow. Their watch business continues to grow. They're finding new applications. So I think it'll hit it. But again, I'd rather have a lot of cash for that time when things go bad. Just like what was it, February, when all the VIX stuff went upside down. I had a bunch of cash, and I was able to buy more of the things I liked, and
nice.
That worked out really well. And I think that's the way most investors are thinking.
Finally, Mark, if you're right, and the value of top 4 pro teams goes up 100%, I mean, you're famous for knowing when to sell some key assets. So what would it take for you to sell the Mavs?
Nothing. I mean, there's no way. I've got 3 kids, and, if it's not them running, look, here's all you need to know. I love the game of basketball. What's better than before a Mavericks game, going out in the court in your own arena and getting up shots? There's no amount of money put on that. That tells you all you need to know.
If you would like to learn more about the price patterns, about the charts, about how to be profitable in trading stocks and options, visit marketcrash.money. Click right here, how to profit, and find out the 5 core fundamentals that help me turn 12,000 to 466,000 in less than 7 hours trading options from my laptop. Discover the power of accelerations of trading options. Are you completely fed up with ordinary results? Then definitely visit marketcrash.money. Hit this big green button and take action now. Get the answers that you've been looking for. Specifically, in this 1.5 hour course video, not only do I explain and specifically give you details on how I turned 12K into 466 in a very short amount of time, but I reveal a ton of secrets, specifically which are the best stocks for trading options, the top 3 chart patterns for huge returns, the key to locking the huge gains, how to trade the reaction of the market to the news rather than news themselves. I help you discover the secret behind timing. Can you imagine if you could only trade on days where you have a 70-80% probability of getting your trades correct and avoid the days whether the probability is entirely uncertain? And more secrets like discovering the difference between the trend and TRO and what it could mean to your trading results. Again, visit marketcrash.money, hit the big green button, and make your 2018 the most profitable year ever.